everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For another quick one today, we're going to be talking about what zinnia seeds I am going to sow this year. Zinnias are always a big favorite of mine. They're so easy. Throw them in the ground, they bloom, beautiful, right? Yes, let's get started. Just wanted to make this really quick. Somebody asked me, I was like, hey, I'll make a video. Why not, right? So first up, we have the Queen Red Lime, and you'll see it says winter sow in April on there. The main reason I winter sow my zinnias is because these packets, whenever you get into, you know, the Queen Reds and the Queen whatevers, and you get into the BENARY'S Giants or whatever, usually there aren't very many seeds. There's like maybe 30 to a packet or something like that. They're a little more expensive than, you know, just whatever heirloom varieties, which are also beautiful. So if you just want to grow those heirloom varieties and get more bang for your buck, right on. It works. It's good. You ain't gonna get no judgment from me because I got some cheapies out there too, and I love them all the same. Anyway, Queen Red Lime. I see these all the time. I've never grown them before, or have I? I don't know. I can't remember. I'm sure I'll remember when I see it. I also have the Queen Lime with BLOTCH. These are more the kind of limey ones with BLOTCH. No, I don't know how to even explain it. I'm going to put the pictures for each one of these up on the screen so you guys can know what I'm talking about. In addition to the Queen Lime with BLOTCH, I have the Queen Lime, what are you? Queen Lime Orange Zinnia. I believe these are new this year. They're a really kind of offset, kind of almost salmon-y orange, if I'm remembering correctly. When I saw them, I was like, ooh, you have to grow those. It says coral orange through peach and apricot. Yes, yes please. Peach and apricot are like some of my favorites. So yes, please. Thank you. Next we have the BENARY'S Giant Salmon Rose. This is one of my all-time favorites, the Salmon Rose. So pretty. That, again, that peachy color, almost salmon. It's not that orange that's like punch you in the face orange, but it's like that, like, oh, it's so pretty and delicate. It's that orange. So we have our Salmon Rose. And next up we have our Scarlet Red BENARY'S Giant Zinnias. I chose the Scarlet Red because the hummingbirds love them. I'm not really a big fan of red in the garden. It's just so like, whoo, in your face. But the birds love it, and I love watching the birds. So BENARY'S Red. Next we have, of course, the BENARY'S Giant Lime Zinnia. I really love these limes. A lot of people ask about the difference between the lime and the envy. BENARY'S Giant Lime and Envy, the heirloom open pollinated zinnia. And, you know, for the most part, there's not really that much of a difference, but there is. In general, I find that the BENARY'S Giant Lime just has a much better flower shape. They're more likely to have double flowers, those real nice big fluffy double flowers. And the Envy one seems to be, you know, when you get the blooms, there's less doubles. You will get some doubles, but there seems to be less doubles, at least in my yard. And the flower shape is kind of like, I don't know. But personally, I like the reliability of these to get double flowers for cut flowers. Or even if you are going for cut flowers, if that's what you like, it doesn't matter. It just comes down to your preference, like most things in the flower garden. So do what you like. Last but not least, I have the BENARY'S Giant Wine Zinnia. This one is that kind of dark purple. It's so gorgeous. Being totally honest, I want it, that's it, that's the last one. Being totally honest with you guys, I wanted to grow so many more zinnias. I just don't have the room. If it was up to me, if I had the room, I would grow an entire row of all of these zinnias. I think they are so worth it. The colors are so vibrant and they just pop so much. I guess I could have gotten the mix. That's what I did last year, as I grew the mix. And I just had like a rainbow of color out there, which I really like too. But I think I'm going to try to stick with more dense plantings of one specific color for my zinnias this year and see what happens, see what that looks like. Hopefully this video was somehow helpful. I'm not quite sure if it was. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you making new videos on the regular. Tell your friends and all that good stuff. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year. It would mean so much to me. I hope y'all are having a great day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye guys.